Looking for AI video editing software? You are on the right video. What if I told you your next video could be edited by AI in minutes? No skills, no timeline headaches, just pure magic. AI is taking over everything, even video editing. Whether you're a YouTuber, freelancer, or just someone who wants quick edits without the headache, these tools do the hard work for you. Cutting, syncing, even creating videos from scratch. In this video, I'll show you the best AI video editors that'll save your time and level up your content. As we talk about AI video editors, there are several options. Covering them all in single video will take a lot of time and make video boring. I will cover only two here. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, we have CapCut. CapCut is an all-in-one video editor and video maker application with everything you need to create stunning, high-quality videos. Here we have a lot of tools for video and image editing. We're talking about AI video editing software, so we will focus only on AI features of it. Besides simple video editing, it has features like AI Video Maker, script to video, text to video, AI avatars, text to design, and many more AI. You can visit and try these. Some of them are free, while some are paid. As we talk about our second video editing software, we have FlexClip AI. It is also a video editing powerhouse with features like AI text-based editing, AI text-to-speech, AI video generator, image to video, product URL to video, AI subtitle, and AI translators, plus many more features. I have made a detailed video on it. You can watch on my channel. So these were AI video editing software that let you create stunning videos with script and with prompt. Let's quickly test both and create a script to video. First, let's see the results of FlexClip AI, then we will move towards CapCut.
Let's use random prompt to generate our video. Make a promo video for company offering social media marketing. After giving the prompt, click on Generate. It is fast in generation process as compared to other AI tools, which is another feature which makes it unique. Here our video is ready. We can simply change and replace the clips if needed. I will do necessary changes. There are 70+ languages. You can choose your desired language in which you want to make video. For the voice, I will go with Andrew. Keep the voice style friendly as this will be promotional video. After doing settings, simply apply. It will take some time. Our video is ready. If you want to further edit the video, on the left side there are video, text, elements, effects, and other options to make the video more attractive. Let's play the AI text to video generated by FlexClip AI.
Welcome to the future of marketing. Is your business looking to grow online? At Your Company Name, we specialize in social media marketing. Engage with your audience like never before. We create tailored strategies that resonate, from eye-catching graphics to compelling content. Watch your brand thrive on platforms that matter. Our team of experts is dedicated to your success, using data-driven insights to maximize your impact. Ready to elevate your online presence? Join us and watch your business soar. Contact us today for a free consultation.
Pretty good. Rate this video generation out of 10 in the comments.